Trucker 7, man. Picking up my Peterbilt 579 from the shop. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Show y'all what they did right quick. Turn this off. Always turn your AC off first. Yeah, she went in the shop because the fan clutch and the engine fan took a crap. Let me show y'all what they did. So I got this work done already on this truck before 6 months ago. So they put a new fan clutch right there and a new fan, engine fan. Ooh, look at that. That's what they did. They also recharged my AC right here. They put a little bit of that in there. It's always good when you pick your vehicle up from the shop, no matter what it is. It could be a big truck like this, no matter what. Like, make sure everything is put back the way it should be. Like, nothing should be loose, nothing like that. So just look it over. You'll be surprised sometimes what mechanics might, you know, leave off by accident. I know this clip was messed up. This was like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is my dipstick for my oil. It was like that. That means it's not locked in place. So we turn it like that, it's locked in place. We had to get a new belt. Man, that thing look good too, man. But man, look at that. Ooh, it was all burnt up, y'all. Basically, this housing was loose, and this the fan clutch here, and it just seized up and threw the fan and all that forward. And see, I got a engine fan brace right there, protect the radiator, which was good, so that it wouldn't mess up my radiator. But everything looks good, y'all. Like, these guys usually do not disappoint. So that's what's up. You know what I mean? That's what you want. So, man, you know what I'm saying? We back, man. We back at it, boys. Like, we gonna get done. We gonna get on the road and actually haul some real loads. But later on today, look for me, because I'm gonna bring y'all another stream. You know what I'm saying? Laid back Trucker 7, man. We out, man. Only other thing I'm gonna get done on her real quick is this right here. That's your leveling valve. So this right here is supposed to be straight when she aired up. Air your bags up. You know what I'm saying? So it'd be straight. And then she'll sit level. You know what I'm saying? She'll sit level. But all right, y'all. That's my truck, man. Hold on, let me get a better shot of it. Look at all the work he got. Some of it is finished. But there she go, y'all. All right, I'm out. Peace.